every quarter pounder, every Big Mac, every cheeseburger made of worms. Worms. It's not horrible. It's not the worst thing in the world, but it's pretty fucked up. And the other thing, worms are cheap as shit. And those burgers cost a fucking fortune. They're making money off you and selling you shitty worm meat that gives you no nutrition. None at all. Are you upset about this? No. Are you still gonna eat McDonald's? Probably. What the fuck is wrong with you people, huh? What the fuck is wrong with this world? What the fuck? What if it was made out of human meat? Would you still fucking eat it? I think so. As long as it's not made of white babies, everything will be fine. Black babies and Mexican babies and Chinese babies and Arab babies, but not Arab babies, they taste bad. But still, no white babies in McDonald's. They don't use white babies for McDonald's meat. They don't use white babies for McDonald's meat. That's what I heard.